Hey there, art enthusiasts and trivia buffs. Today, we're diving into a fun challenge that will test your knowledge of some iconic paintings. But with a twist. I'm talking about the BuzzFeed quiz. I zoomed way in on these famous paintings. Can you still identify them? Now, this is a unique take on the classic art quiz. Instead of the usual full view image, you're given a super zoomed in detail, like a tiny piece of a puzzle. And let me tell you, it's not as easy as it sounds. So, what makes this quiz so intriguing? Well, personally, I think it's a brilliant way to engage with art. It forces you to really study the brushstrokes, the textures, and the subtle details that often go unnoticed. You start to appreciate the artist's technique and the story behind the painting in a whole new light. For example, imagine standing just inches away from a masterpiece in a museum. You get to see the individual strokes of the artist's hand, the tiny cracks in the paint, and the unique way light reflects off the surface. It's almost like discovering a hidden world within the painting. But here's the catch. These zoomed-in details can be deceiving. What might seem like a familiar painting could actually be a clever red herring. It's a real test of your art knowledge and observational skills. As you progress through the quiz, you'll encounter a range of famous paintings, from the Renaissance to modern art. And trust me, some of these zoomed-in views will have you scratching your head. But that's part of the fun. It's a chance to explore and learn, and maybe even discover a new favorite artist or painting. So, are you ready to put your art knowledge to the test? Let's dive into this quiz and see how well you can identify these iconic paintings from a tiny detail. It's a fun challenge that will keep you engaged and leave you with a deeper appreciation for the art world. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Closing thought. A fun way to engage with art. This quiz challenges us to see beyond the surface and appreciate the intricate details that make each painting unique. It's a reminder that there's always more to discover and learn, even in the most familiar of masterpieces.